The process of building a 20-yard concrete retaining wall. To ensure success, you need the best people. Without a solid team, there will be no solid concrete. And that would be a bad offer. My guys always perform exceptionally and do the best pours in the Bay Area. They have never failed to impress me with their work. Well, besides that one time I lost $50,000 for black concrete. Ho ho. That was no bueno. But besides that, they have done amazing work and I couldn't be more proud. This concrete wall looks amazing, and I couldn't have done it without my crew. Looks like you guys have earned yourselves another raise. Ho ho.